And you know, it's funny, for years, I used to say that artificial intelligence would never take our jobs. Artificial intelligence would never take our jobs because, you know, humans, we're creative, we're imaginative, we have intuition. And over the last number of weeks, I flipped. I'm kind of worried now a little bit. And I thought it would be really cool. You know, last night I actually spent some time on these AI art generators. And I just want to know in this room if you're able to pick out the art, the things that actually make us human. If you're able to pick out the AI generator or the real designer. I spent 30 seconds last night to come up with a couple different images. So I want to know, on the left, how many people think that this was done by an AI art generator? Raise your hand. Okay, a couple people, all right. On the right, was that done by an AI generator? Raise your hand. Okay, so the majority of people. Let me show you the answer of what it would look like. And actually, most of you were wrong. This was the AI generated version. Okay, let's do it one more time. Left, how many people think that this was the AI generated art? Raise your hand. Okay, couple people. Right, AI generated art. All right, so in this one I used a AI generator called Dall-E. And I put in the prompt, 3D render of an astronaut in an Alberta winter. We all know Alberta winters. Most of you were wrong. And I know that the AI is really intelligent because, you know, the astronaut has all the disruptive technologies attached to its body, and it still can't get out of an Alberta winter. That's how I know it's really intelligent. So you see, most of us were wrong. It took me 30 seconds to create these AI-generated pieces of art. What artificial intelligence platforms are going to be able to do, things like Dall-E and Midjourney, it's going to democratize artistic expression. You know, these platforms are not even in the first inning. They're in beta. So if you think about the exponential nature of this technology, what artificial intelligence is doing, it's turning code into just text prompts. That's what it's doing. Today, we can use artificial intelligence to get these masterpieces. Tomorrow, we'll be able to get animations and videos. And in the future, absolutely, we're going to be able to replicate websites and code just by text prompts. And as a credit union, you might be able to say, hey, can you replicate the Wealth Simple Invest app? And it will just happen. Every single year, technology gets more democratized, it gets more commoditized, and I actually think this is a beautiful thing for you. There's so many credit unions in this room today, they're struggling with the whole idea of technology. How do we invest? There's new technologies coming out. It's getting increasingly more commoditized. And in the future, actually the most precious asset in the world will not be technology, but it will be about how do we create affinity with our members at the end of the day. And guess what? You already have a head start on that.